Lucky you! You've just been named project manager of the new composite wingtip design project, and you have all of 1 week to get it done. Everyone's relying on you to win the contract, so no pressure. It's only the fate of the company riding on your shoulders. No sweat, you say. That's because you invested in the Stratasys Robotic Composite 3D platform, the only composite additive manufacturing system with a scalable, multi-process architecture, giving you the capability and flexibility you need. You can build complex composite parts, complete secondary processing, and inspect your part all in the same work cell. The days of high-touch composite fabrication with expensive, high-cost tools that take weeks or even months to procure are long gone. The multi-axis industrial motion platform, powered by industry-leading Siemens controllers on your robotic composite platform, builds parts without layup tooling and with far fewer constraints. It also builds parts without the need for support material, saving time and minimizing material use. And just as important, there's even a streamlined industrial end-to-end workflow solution included. Say goodbye to the headaches of working with unique, disparate software tools for each step in the process. Thanks to the environment within the powerful Siemens PLM software, production is now fully digitized with all your design, modeling, and analysis work being executed and retained in one software platform. For easy accessibility, traceability, and accurate communication of critical design intent. You've got this nailed. You know it's the future of composite manufacturing. And you also know the best part of the Stratasys Robotic Composite 3D platform is the results. You have unlimited design freedom, so your composite parts are lighter, cost less to produce, and you simplify your supply chain, all while shortening your time to market. Awesome you! Your company wins the contract and you get a free lunch with the CEO. The Stratasys Robotic Composite 3D platform with Siemens Motion Control and Siemens PLM software. Because FDM technology is the future of composite manufacturing.